Hey friend, for those who don't know me, I'm Jonny Cotsen, a creative artist and a consultant based in Cardiff, South Wales. I have also been performing with Loud If Not Always Clearer, a Mr. Clark production that has been touring for the last 4 years and it's been a massive highlight for me. I describe myself as a profoundly deaf man that speaks. Anyway, I'm so thrilled to announce that in partnership with Chapter Art Centre and a number of brilliant organisations across Wales, we have been awarded the Connect and Flourish funding from Arts Council Wales. We're really excited and I cannot wait to get started. Over the next 2 years, we have a fantastic programme planned that aims to address access to creative production for deaf artists and community, placing them at the heart of cultural production. I'll be the lead artist in the programme, but this project is all about collaboration. We'll be looking for a number of other creatives to work with us very soon. So now you know about us, please follow Here We Are to stay up to date with opportunities and find out about all the exciting things we have planned. Thank you.